Good morning. Now, in this session, we will see the number of capacitors are arranged in different pattern, different ways, and we have to calculate the equivalent capacitance. Here we have the two circuits, one by one we will solve and make our concept clear, make our ideas clear, how to make the equivalent capacitance, how to solve the equivalent capacitance. Now the solution. First, now see this one, this is the combination. Here the C1, C2 and C3, C4 both have the same capacitance. C1 and C3, C2 and C4 have the same capacitance, and C5 is in between this arrangement. Now this we will see it follow the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge. That is, relation is what? P by Q is equal to R by S. But here we will see the C1 by here. C1 by C2 is equal to C3 by C4. So on that particular, for C1 by C2, it have the relation that is the 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. In the C3 by C4, here also it is 1 by 2. That means both have the same ratio, but it shows that the potential at this point, let it be the A and let it be the B, the potential at both A and B is the same. So on that case, this capacitor is not functioning. This capacitor of no meaning. Now the arrangement of this becomes arrangement here. The capacitor C1, then after capacitor C2. Now here it is the C3 and C4. This is the P point and this is the Q point. C1, C2, C3, C4. The middle one, that is the C5 of no meaning, because both and have the same potential. No charge will move up to this. So it is the only the parallel combination of two series. Series 1, and here it is the series 2. So we first calculate here for the series 1, C1 and C2 are in series. So that is 1 CS1 is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, that equal to, here it is the 2 microfarad and here it is the 4. For C1 it is the 2 microfarad and it is the 4 microfarad. For C3 is equal to 2 microfarad and here it is the 4 microfarad. So in this particular 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, we take the 4 as. So here it is the 2 plus 1 and that will be the 3 by 4. So CS1 is equal to 4 by 3. Similarly, CS2, that is means similarly C3 and C4 are in series and having the same value, so we can write, since they have same capacitance as the above one, thus capacitance as the above, thus CS2 that is also equal to 4 by 3. Here it is microfarad, here it is microfarad. Now the circuit appears as when both have the circuit looks like P. Here it is the CS1 and next is the CS2 from P to Q. So on that case, this is the parallel combination. In parallel, or CS1 and CS2 are in parallel. In parallel combination. So on that case, C effective equivalent is equal to Cp is equal to CS1 plus CS2, that is equal to 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 3 is the common and here it is the 4 plus 4, that equal to the 8 by 3 and microfarad. This is the equivalent capacitance on the first arrangement. First arrangement, the potential at the two ends of the capacitor C5 is the same. So on that case, it is not in work. The charge will not move around this one. So it is simple in the series combination, and then after we have calculated series of the 1, series of the 2. Here we calculate the CS1, here we calculate the CS2, and then after in the parallel combination, so it is the first relation. Now see the second solution, second arrangement. The capacitor are arranged in the way. Now arrangement is here. Now again you see this arrangement. Here the naming first C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6. So here the 6 capacitor and all the 6 capacitors are arranged in different ways. Now in this particular C2, C3, C4 are continuous arranged. That is the C2, C3, C4 are in series arrangement. So in the series arrangement, we write here the second one C1, C2, C3 and C4 are in series arrangement, series combination. So on that particular 1 by CS1 is equal to series for this 1 by C1, C2 plus 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. So it is the 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60. That is the 1 by CS1 is equal to 3 by 60, and we write this implied CS1 is equal to 60 by 3, and given there the microfarad, that is the microfarad, or we can write CS1 is equal to 20 microfarad. Now what the earlier arrangement, now it looks like as this is the capacitor 1 and here is the terminal from which the 3 capacitors arrangement here. One is here, another capacitor is like this, and the series combination you have, that is also in this way. A point, B point. Now that earlier 3 are in the series. So the 3 have the equivalent CS1. Then after C5, and here it is the C6, and this one is the C1. Now the arrangement like this. All the 3 have the same terminal. Here also and this also. So on this particular same terminal, on this C6, C5 and CS1 are in parallel combination, as C6, C5 and CS1 are in parallel combination. Thus what we have, C6, that parallel, that is the CP, is equal to parallel combination of these 3 are, here it is the 10 microfarad, 10 microfarad, this equal to 10 microfarad, this equal to 10 microfarad, and this is equal to 20 microfarad. So 10 plus 10 plus 20, that becomes the 40 microfarad. Now the combination looks like this is the C1 from A and that connected with this one, that is the B. Here it is the C1 and this one is the C. Second series combination, again here it is series. So for the last, we take the space here. For the last, that is the C1 and here it is the 40, 10, 20, 40 microfarad. Parallel. Now, in this combination, now this is the series combination. So CS1 and CP are in series combination. So on that case, 1 by C effect equivalent is equal to 1 by CS2 is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by CP, and that is the 1 by C1 is equal to 1 by C1 has the 40, C1 has the 40 microfarad. So on that case, 1 by 40 plus 1 by 40, and that is equal to the 2 by 40. That means the C effective or net value of this one of the combination is equal to 40 by 2, that is equal to 20 microfarad. So this is the way we solve the multiple capacitor arranged in the either parallel together with the series or series with the parallel. So on that mixed condition, we will solve it by part. Now see the third one. If we consider the third arrangement of the capacitor, this one is the one capacitor is connected, another capacitor connected, then after connected, these two are in the series, and this is connected with the another capacitor. Let's suppose there is the potential difference, and here if this one is the 100 picofarad, here 200 picofarad, 200 picofarad, and this is the 200 picofarad of connection of the this 300 volt. That is the third arrangement. Now again we just elaborate it for our better understanding. There is the two terminal. Now we can use this one as like this is the one arrangement. Just I bring this terminal to up to this. So that comes here of the capacitor of 200 picofarad, and this arrangement become this one 100 picofarad, and here it is the two capacitor of 200 picofarad, and that become this one. Let it be the name as A and B. A and B. So A is here, that is the negative one, and B is here, that is the positive one. So just keep this one is the capacitor 1, C2, this is the C2, this is the C3, capacitor of capacitance 200 picofarad, and this one is the C4 of the 200 picofarad. So just naming this capacitor, now this, whenever we consider or whenever we bring this terminal and make it at a state, so on that case the potential of 300 volt, that is between the A to B up to here, and the arrangement look like this. So C4 is here, here it is the C1, here it is the C2 and C3 of the value 100 picofarad, and here it is the 200 picofarad, here it is the 200 picofarad, here this is also the 200 picofarad. Now for our better concept, better clearance, I make it state, and now it appears here it is the series combination. The value of the series combination together with the C1, that become the parallel combination, and this is the. Now first calculate the series combination between the C2 and C3. C2 and C3 are in series combination. So on that case, 1 by CS1 is equal to 1 by 200 plus 1 by 200, that is equal to 2 by 200, or we write is this CS1 is equal to 200 by 2, that is the 100 picofarad. Picofarad here also, picofarad. 100 picofarad is now the value of this particular. So the circuit becomes like this. That is the A point, and here is the one capacitor C4 of 200 picofarad. This is connected with this one, and this connected with this here. C1 is connected of the 100 picofarad, and CS1, which we calculated earlier, that is equal to 100 picofarad. So both the C1 and CS are in the parallel combination A and B. The potential up to here is the 300 volt. Now this combination C1 C2 are parallel, as C1 and CS1 are parallel. Thus C parallel is equal to, here it is 2 C1 plus CS1, that equals 100 plus 100, 200, 100 plus 100 picofarad, that is equal to 200 picofarad. Now the arrangement of this both now the circuit appears like this. Here it is the C4 and here it is the CP from A and B. The potential in between is the 300 volt. So these two are in the series combination. We write here. In this series combination, C4 and CP are in series combination. That is 1 by CS that is equal to 1 by C equivalent effective or equivalent, that equal to 1 by C4 plus 1 by Cp. So this value is equal to here 200, 1 by 200 plus 1 by 200. Again it is 1 by CS2 is equal to 1 by 2 by 200. This means, this implies CS2, that is the C equivalent, is equal to 200 by 2, that equal to the 100 picofarad. So this is the arrangement. How we will solve? For that we just arrange this one in this way, that by part we can solve it and get the equivalent or effective capacitance in all the total combination. Now next day we will put the or take the some more problems regarding the combination together with the potential, together with for the charges around the capacitor and everything, and what will be the energy among the capacitor also.